So today's video is just going to be just showing you how I created this little nice, soft, springtime eyeshadow look. I did a little bit, of talking. So at this point, with me recording this, I'm not sure if I'm going to do, like, you guys hearing me talk and what I'm talking about, or am I just gonna do the eyeshadow and zip on through? I don't really know. Telling you guys about the lashes that I'm wearing too. 25mm lashes from Lovette Luxury. Make sure you guys check them out. I'll leave links to everything in the description box below. You know what I'm saying? So y'all can see this and you can see that, or you can just not even look at my video, not even pay attention. Click on it accidentally. Subscribe. God brought you here for a reason to subscribe to my channel. Period. My ear itching. Since I'm like thirsty for springtime, I think I want to do like a spring color, like maybe some yellow. Zulu. So with my Zulu palette from Juvia's Place, I'm going in with that yellow shade and I'm just packing it all over my entire lid. I'm packing it on just so it has a lot of pigment and the color can be able to show through. On top of where I applied the yellow, I'm going in with my brown shade just to give it a little bit of transition so it can flow right into the yellow so it doesn't look too harsh on my eyelids. So now I'm going in with my eyeliner from LA Colors. It's a liquid liner. It's my go-to liner. I absolutely love this liner. And I'm just doing a little slight wing just to give it a little bit more effect so when I add my lashes on. I feel like when it comes to like dating, for me dating, it's hard for the person to date me only because it's just like, I guess I'm like kind of like scared to let people in because I've been through some bullshit stuff that I shouldn't even have been through, and I feel like the stuff I've been through, it was my fault for being stupid, but oh yeah, and if I didn't know, this takes a while to blend. That's why I don't like it, but I like the way it looks after. So this is the ColourPop No Filter, which I'm like, it looked like it's a freaking filter. But anyways, just because I've been through a lot of bull crap that I feel like I shouldn't have been through, and it was my fault because I want to be stupid, and sometimes you just want somebody around because you don't want to feel lonely, but that's neither here nor there. I don't let what I've been through affect what I'm going through. You just can't, in this world, you just can't do that. So I try not to base things off my past actions because every guy is not the same. They have tendencies that's the same, but they're not the same. I feel like he's not the same as like the other guys like I've talked to or dealt with. I feel like he really actually genuinely cares about me. Like really cares about me. He liked me more than I like him. And I do think that that's true. Not saying I don't like him, but it's just that I don't know how to put it. I'm just taking my time. Like, you want to take your time, but you don't want to take too much time. If you take too much time to figure out if you like someone, you might lose somebody good. But not saying I don't like them because I do. I mean, I feel like if I like someone, I wouldn't even waste my time. Sorry, I'm like to the edge of this crap. I wouldn't even waste my time, like, texting them back or like doing anything if I felt like I didn't like them. It makes me feel good about myself, like, even though I'd be like, because I feel like, I know, even though my son is, sorry, I'm looking through my makeup thing, so if you see me looking this way and not paying attention, it's because I'm looking at trying to find brushes. But even though, I feel like after I had my son, my confidence level, like, kind of went down. But I just felt my body, I feel like my body is just not the same how it used to be. It just feels different. Like, and like after you have a baby, your body will never be the same. Like, people always be like, I can't wait to get my body back. And it's just like, your body ain't gonna be back. Like, you're a whole new person now on the inside. Literally a whole new person. I feel like I don't want to jinx anything, so my camera's not focusing. I just feel like I don't want to jinx anything because I have bad luck when it comes to relationships and guys. Maybe it's just me. I don't know. Something just cut my lip. Okay, whatever. Whatevs. Whatevs. I transferred from Los Angeles. This school has no gymnastics team. This is the last resort. Doing makeup in the natural way is cute. This is cute as fuck. Ooh. 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 Just. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!